Hello there, Storytime friends. It's Miss Eliza, Children's Librarian at the Waukee Public Library. This month's Storytime, we're celebrating the turn of the Lunar New Year, and this year that just began is the year of the tiger. So we have a year of the tiger story time to share with you today. We're going to sing a song that goes to the tune of Bingo. You remember Bingo? There's the farmer and he has a dog and B-I-N-G-O, but we're going to change it up to sing about tiger. And I've got my little tigers on here. Let's start by learning the American Sign Language for tiger. So you're going to put your hands up right by your face with your fingers spread open, kind of like whiskers, and you're going to pull them out. Tiger, tiger, tiger. This is the sign for tiger. So for this song, we're going to spell the word tiger, and then each time we go through the song, we're going to replace one of the letters with a clap. Do you think you can help me do that? All right, so we'll try to use our sign for tiger in the beginning part of the song, and then we'll go through and spell. Let's see if we know these letters before we get started. This is the letter that tiger starts with. Do you know what it is? The letter T. T for tiger, that's right. I-T-I, grrr, grrr. G for grrr. We've got E-R. So tiger is a fun word because all those letter sounds go together and they all kind of sound like what we think of when we think of tiger, right? T for tiger, and then tiger. So that's a really fun word to spell. All right, so I'll start with this first verse a little slower and you join in with me when you know the words, okay? Okay, here we go. Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. T-I-G-E-R, T-I-G-E-R, T-I-G-E-R. Grrr, says the tiger. You think you can sing that with me? Okay, so now we're going to get rid of letter T for tiger. And when we have a blank space, what do? That's right. All right, here we go. Second verse, friends. Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. I-G-E-R. Good job, friends. I-G-E-R. I-G-E-R. Grrr, says the tiger. All right, goodbye to letter I. Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. G-E-R. 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 What does he say? Grrr, says the tiger. That's right. Good job, friends. All right, it's time to get rid of our grrr letter, our letter G. And now, how many claps are we going to have in this next verse? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3 claps, and 1, 2 letters. All right, are we ready? Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. E-R. 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 Grrr, says the tiger. All right, we're down to how many letters, friends? Just one. And do you remember what letter it is? It's the one at the end of tiger. It's our letter R, and it's the only letter left. Here we go. Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. R. 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 Tiger says what? Grrr, says the tiger. All right, friends, it's time to say goodbye to letter R. And that means no letters left, which means that this time when we sing the song, we get to do 5 claps in a row. Let's practice. That's right. So the middle of the song will be a lot of clapping. I hope your hands are ready. Here we go. Happy New Year, time is here. It's year of the tiger. And grrr, says the tiger. Good job, friends. Give yourselves a tiger round of applause. Very good. All right. I hope that you enjoy some of the Lunar New Year stories, songs, and activities in the rest of this story time. And we will see you next month, friends. Bye-bye.